watch the control you have with that.
Oh, wow.
Now bank to the left hard. And hold it up there. A whole new wreck coming up. Come on. Come on. Come on.
That was good. That was real good. That's all that's left of it. That was crazy, man.
I would just step off down if I were you.
Well, the wire doesn't extend,
Doesn't reach.
doesn't reach. It has a habit of getting flooded. Oh, jeez. I always had this issue. Where it gets flooded, then I gotta like take out the glow plug and all that. This engine seems to get flooded for a lot for whatever reason.
If the tank's higher than the carburetor, it'll do that.
Huh. Maybe that's the issue then, because this is the only plane I really have that issue where it just gets flooded a lot.
The air tractor does that too, so I have to shut the throttle off all the way.
Shut it off all the way?
Like closed.
Okay.
So
like when, oh, okay.
When you're not using it.
But when you start it, you still have it like in the,
Yeah.
like a
That's when
little,
you have
yeah.
it parked.
Gotcha.
With the carb open, it just kind of floods it.
Hmm.
It drains in there.
But I had it started before
Yeah, it won't run right. Yeah, you're flooding.
Wow.
yeah. Yeah.
So,
You said you have another washer?
yeah, I got a bunch of them.
Okay.
I'll have to wash yourself on that.
Yeah, that's pretty much most of it.
Is that a number 8?
Yeah, it's an 8. Thanks. Still having issues. Oh yeah, try that one. But I mean, I can't even like pull this with my hands.
Oh, you don't have the wheel on.
I don't have the what?
Oh. Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah, I have this problem at home too. And it took me like several tries of like taking off the glow plug and like putting it back on. And
It's like a radial engine, you gotta turn it over.
Not spewing anything else.
All right. Ready?
Thank you, thank you. Yeah, she's flying good already. Oh, she's a little... I got a lot of... she's really sensitive on the control surfaces.
You might have to have your expo up.
Like the slightest movement in my like the slightest roll, and she just like rolls completely, like she just twitches.
Yeah, you need expo on it. Slow it down.
Yeah. I'm surprised at how, I guess, nice it fly, like stable.
It flies nice.
Yeah. The only issue
Just right.
yeah, no.
Yep.
The only issue I have is just that you're rolling too fast.
What did they say? A nose heavy plane that fly like shit. That was a nice scale pass.
Thanks. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna try to
Didn't one gal crash this plane on the airplane?
set up for landing.
She stalled it or something?
What's that, one of these?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Are you talking about the Reno air races?
So,
Very nice.
Ooh.
Oh,
Ooh wee. Oh man. Yep. Alright, let's try that again.
yeah. Now cut your throttle.
Yeah, it's cut.
Let it come down there real nice. All on its own. Perfect. 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 Very nice.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ooh wee.
Yeah, that,
Ooh wee. Ooh wee, I was nervous.
that was very good.
Ooh wee.
Very, very soft landing, even though it was 2 or 3 times. It's still good. How much ground clearance do you have from that fly?
I don't know. That right there.
oh, you can put a way bigger prop.
Think so?
Yeah, look how much clearance you have.
Oh yeah.
Even if you're level, you could add an inch.
You took off with flaps, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
What? Your first notch of flaps or full?
First notch.
Yeah. Okay. You do a front buffer pass, it'll be nice and low right through here. Make a keyhole to the right. No. Now left. Now go left. Go left. No. Go right. I'm gonna show you a keyhole. the left hard. And hold it up there. And come back down approximately the same path you were on. And do obviously the same thing on this end. Only here, you bank left. Make your keyhole, make them right, go back to full flap. Nice.
Nice.
Now dump your flap. That keeps it on the ground. Ours says 85. Anyway. Woo. Nice. Oh, that was nice.
Nice.
Whoop.
Ooh, bounces are nice, yep.
A whole new wreck coming up. All right.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Altitude 66 feet.
No engine whatsoever right now. No power at all.
Just floating.
The wind is keeping it up. All right, I got to power up and go around. Ah.
You're pretty low.
Haha.
33 feet. Frame losses 11 poles. 0 receiver. No data.
Come on, get down. No flaps. That's the problem. Okay,
Nice.
back up.
Nice, nice.
Holy cow, I did one. Come on. Come on. Come on. I forget where flaps are. Oh, I know.
I mean,
Flaps
with that thing, you
right
don't
there.
even need
Full
flaps, really.
right now.
That is really. That was good. That was real good.
Full flaps worked really good.
Mhm.
That was great.
Yeah, it came down
Holy
really
cow.
nice. I need to go ahead and put flaps on mine.
You get
Oh,
old.
shit. That's a nicer prop.
Yeah, that's my air tractor prop.
Oh. All right. Oh, this one is in comparison.
Oh.
Yeah, it's way bigger.
Turn hard in and go full flap. Now. Now listen to the difference in your prop since it's been changed out.
Go full throttle.
Different?
Yeah, it does sound different. Yep.
It's actually using the whole prop.
Huh. That's interesting.
Now, when you make your turn, throttle back a bit and do like a slow pass
Okay.
and watch the control you have with that.
Oh, wow.
Damn!
What are the chances of that?
Wow.
I didn't think you guys were that close. I was supposed to be watching, wasn't I? You got hit by a prop. That was nasty, very nasty.
That's all that's left of it.
Let's see what else we can dig up.
That's all that's left of it.
Yeah,
Sheesh.
that was crazy, man.